So I guess when you're kind of on a forced quarantine and the weather looks pretty looming outside, got some thunderstorms that are going to happen tonight, maybe even tomorrow for the next couple days. I don't care if it's in the 70s or low 80s. Mama's making gumbo. A lot of people like a dark roux. I like mine a little bit more on the blonder side. Looks like toasted peanut butter. All right, guys. Looks like you're good. Time to put in the veg. Oh. Now we're cooking. If anybody wonders what sexy smells like, it's that Cajun Trinity that's toasting in the roux. If you notice, as the vegetables soften in the roux gets a little bit darker. I mean, just a little bit. That looks so good. Wish y'all could smell it. It's amazing. So while this is still going, I've got my Magnolite right there, ready to take on everything. Everything we're going to throw into it is going to go in that big boy right there. So excited. All right, stormy weather, gumbo weather. Doesn't matter the temperature outside, that's just the right thing to do. Okay, so my roux is pretty much done. I have all my vegetables softened up in the roux. I have the oil hot in my Magnolite, and I have my chicken cut into pieces. I separated the drumsticks from the thighs, lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to hit it with some of our gunpowder spice. This is the essence of the Cajun. Partially. It's a signature blend. It's amazing. It's wonderful, and it's going to breathe so much life into this gumbo. All right. Chicken's done. Seasoned up. All right, chicken is all seasoned up. Now it's going in the Magnolite. I'm going to put it skin side down. There we go. Crank the heat up just a little bit so we can get more noise. Yeah, now we're talking. The chicken's cooked. It's thickened. It's time to deglaze it, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in about half a cup of beer. That's nice. That's really nice. We're going to scrape up all those brown bits at the bottom of the Magnolite here. That's where the flavor is. You let the alcohol and the beer cook out. Let it reduce down. And then we're going to go ahead and throw in about a pound of smoked sausage. So that's a nice Cajun dinner, I think. It's going to be a real good gumbo. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to move the chicken to the outsides of the Magnolite here so that can cook a little more slowly, and got the hot part right here in the middle. That's where I'm going to put this amazing fresh pork smoked sausage. There we go. So you've got the lightness of the beer, the smokiness of the sausage. We're just going to let that marinate for a while. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm going to let that go and check on it here in a few minutes. The sausage is browning, the chicken's browning, everything's thickening up. And now it's time for the roux. 2 cups of chicken stock in the roux, and reheat it to get it all melted together. The chicken stock and the roux came up to a boil. Oh, it smells so good. It's thickening up. I think it's time to add it to the pot. All right. That's the stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. Ooh, this is going to be awesome. I'm not making a whole lot of gumbo, but sometimes it just makes itself, you know? God, that smells so good. Let's stir this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more gunpowder spice first. There we go. Look at that, how it's thickening. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple more cups of chicken stock and a cup of water. And turn the heat down to low. We're gonna let this simmer for a little while. You know what? I think we need a couple more cups of water. There we are. All right, I think we're gonna cover and let this guy go for about 20 minutes. Chicken should be cooked through. We'll taste the sauce and see how we need to adjust the flavor. Guys, gumbo, that's what's up. It's been an hour. We got the slow cook happening here. Chicken is already done. It's starting to fall off the bone. Let's see where we are as far as seasoning goes, shall we? I love slow days, you know, like slow cooking days. I love it. Crap, that is good. Holy cow. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is turn it down to low and just let it simmer. And I've got some boiled eggs right here because Cajuns usually like to put boiled eggs in their gumbo. So I've got 6 eggs that I've boiled and peeled. And the egg whites are actually gonna go ahead and absorb a lot of this flavor. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 more cup of water. That flavor is really good. I'm not worried about diluting it or thinning it out too much. There's gonna be a little evaporation, but it's not too bad. There we go, let's see where we are. Hot damn, that's so good. Oh, a little pepper there. It's got some kick to it. So I'm gonna turn this all the way down to low, put it on the lowest possible simmer, steam up a pot of rice, and dinner will be done. And you know what? This is one of those dishes that it's better the longer it sits. So whatever's left over is gonna be even better tomorrow. All right, putting the lid, letting it simmer. About 20 minutes, rice will be done, then we're eating. Yeah. There you go. All right. Look at this golden deliciousness here. You know, there's just something magic about slow cooked stews, about something that takes time to develop flavor, something that's just, you know, patiently crafted. And gumbo is one of those things. It's unbelievable. Look at that. It's a beautiful blonde roux that started all of this. All the veg, the chicken, the sausage, the eggs. Let's not forget the spices too. Got that gunpowder in there. That's good. Oh my God, that's so good. Made some brown rice right here. It's gonna go really well with the gumbo. Super fluffy. Nothing else to do but plate it up. So here we go. I'll put just a little bit of rice in the bowl right here. And this is really rustic. This is fantastic. This is the way it's supposed to be. Simple food done well. It's done right. Let me get some gravy and some sausage in here. And just pour it over the rice like that. Ooh, man. Nice piece of chicken. A ladle for that. We're just going to go right in there and get him. There he is. Right there. Okay. And get a little bit more sausage. Maybe an egg. Why not? Ooh, can I catch it? Can I catch one? I got one. Awesome. All right. And there you have it. You've got a very simple, very classic Cajun dish. A chicken and sausage gumbo over rice with boiled egg. This is true Cajun. This is exactly what you're going to get when you come to South Louisiana. And this, my friends, is hospitality at its finest. This is authentic Cajun cooking. Heartwarming and soulful. You know, if somebody takes the time to make this for you, you're in a very special place and they think you're a very special person. So here you go. Cajun chicken and sausage gumbo. Y'all try it. Take it slow, take it easy, do it Cajun style. Here it is. Enjoy.